everyone! Welcome back to my channel! Today's video, I'm going to teach you how I made this reversible halter top. The fabric that I used here is leftover fabrics from my past DIYs, but I suggest you use a stretchy fabric like cotton spandex so it will hug your body tight. So, let's start! I cut a rectangular piece with 25 inches width, which is my full bust measurement plus half-inch seam allowance, and 10.5 inches long, which is from the upper bust to belly button. Then I draw a straight line from those mark points using a ruler. Process to the other piece. The next step is hemming the bottom of the fabric by folding it over twice. Hem also the top part of the fabric. Repeat the same steps to the second piece. After that, you should have something like this. I also fold both sides of the fabric 2 times to have a cleaner edge. Every steps that I'm doing in the first piece is the same steps in the second piece of fabric. And the result must be something like this. Put the 2 pieces right sides together, pin the sides, and sew it after. Right side out, and I mark half inch from the side seams, then draw a straight line across. Sew it starting from the straight line to create a tunnel for the ties. Include also in sewing the top and bottom edge to close it. Just like this. The next step is creating the ties. I cut 2 pieces of strips in each fabric with 1 inch width and about 54 inches long. Face the strips right sides together, then sew it starting from the top going to the sides. And after that, you must have something like this. This is the last step in this project. Insert the ties in the tunnel using a safety pin. Super easy, right? You can wear this top in two ways. The first one is like this, where you can tie it first in front before tying it on the back of your neck. The second one is just simply like this, by tying it straight at the back of the neck. If you want to try this, please tag me in my Instagram account. I'll be very happy to know your creation. And if you like this, please give this a thumbs up and don't forget to click the subscribe button and on the notification bell so you won't miss my coming DIYs. And I'll see you next time. Bye!